dun sa pinaka highest point ng arch ng talampakan. Okay. So lie down. And then dun sa matibang strap, dun natin siya inuho. Okay. Kung saan banda ng talampakan dun sa highest point. So heels are together. And then arms by your side. So yung strap, parang hindi siya umiipit. It's either nasa ibabaw siya ng shins, or you can slightly open your knees para nasa loob siya. Nasa loob ng legs yung strap. Okay, heels are connected. So baba natin yung lower back. So yung heel papunta dun sa puwet. Okay, then first your knee. Heels are connected. So you can open the knees so that the strap is inside. Arms by your side. Okay? So yung heel line pa rin ng knee. Buko lang konti yan ng forward. Some more. Okay, so open the knees. But heels are together. Okay? And then yung position, it should be on a 90 degree. Arms by your side. So hindi nagta-turn in yung toes mo. So hindi nagta-turn in. So press ng konti. Okay, that will be your starting position. Your starting position, make sure na yung lower back ninyo at yung puwet ninyo hindi nakaangat sa bed. So you have to find the stability ng hips ninyo at ng lower back. Okay, so let's move na merong tama yung position. Heels are together. So from there, so think of using your tummy, your core. I want you to stretch the legs na hindi mag-iiwalay ang inner heels. So, tama naman yung pag-stretch. Bend your knees. So, this time, bend the knees. You stretch the legs 45 degrees. A little bit lower. Heels are together. Okay, so from there, bend your knees again. Arms by your side. Inhale to stretch again, 45 degrees. Good. And then exhale again, bend your knees. So again, keeping your toes together as you stretch. And then bend again, return. So continue, 7. And then bend again. Then. Inhale to stretch. And then bend again. Inhale to stretch. Continue. Inhale to stretch again. And then again. And then stretch. Okay, let's do it again 10 times. Bend first your knees. Inhale, bend first the knees. Bend. Okay, so from there, stretch the legs 45 degrees. Exhale, bend your knee. And then 9. And then bend again. And then 8. And then bend again. And then 7. And then 6. And then last 5. Stretch the legs. So that's so wide para you can stretch the legs. And then continue. And then again. Last 3. And then 2. And then 1 more. Heels are together. Stretch. So let's just stretch the legs. Keep stretching. Let's just take for 5 breaths. Inhale. And then exhale. 4. Inhale. And then exhale. 5. And then 3. Heels are together. And then 2. 1. And then return. So remove the strap. And then lagay lang natin siya sa side, or you can put it at the shoulder rest. So seated tayo, facing the mirror. So seated, facing the mirror. And then angat natin yung ating foot bar all the way up. And then add tayo ng isang spring to the left side. So, isang blue sa gitna, dalawang red dun sa side. So, bring the balls of your feet on top of your foot bar. So, again, this is the ball of your feet. Heels are connected. So, how wide can you open the knees? It's just in line with the shoulder. Okay, sit up tall, and then you move a little bit forward. And then hold at the side of your feet. Both hands. Sit up
Excuse
tall.
me, is this the right
Yes.
spring?
Sit up tall. Some more. When you pull your tummy in, you can move a little bit forward. Some more. Forward. So if the balls of your feet, kung tama siya, you're not wrapping the toes. Kasi it's the balls of your feet nga, no? So if you're wrapping the toes, try to adjust your feet. Okay, sit up tall. Some more. So maintain yung height at lapad ng likod, at taas ng likod. Hold at the edge of the carriage. Dun sa carriage, sa unahan. Yes po. Okay? Sit up tall again. More. So, ang tendency niyan, nagsisink sa lower back. So, can you lift more? Mangyayari yun by pulling your tummy in and then lengthen papunta dun sa sikura. So, from there, keep your body where it is. Inhale to stretch the legs. Good. So, stomach in. Stretch. Stretch pa. So, maintain yung position na nasa gitna yung katawan. So, your meaning you will not lean back. Keep your body at the center. So, keep your legs straight. You lower your heels under the foot bar. And then you lift your heels and you bend again. Sit up tall ka. Na? Konti ka. So, inhale to stretch again. And then you lower down your heels under. Lift. And then bend again, return. So try to connect from the inner heels. Inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels. Lift. And then bend again, return. Can you sit up tall? Some more. Inhale to stretch. And then you lower down your heels under. And then lift your heels. And then bend again, return. And then lastly, narrow na konti yung feet. Inhale to stretch, lower down the heels under, lift, and then return again. So continue, inhale to stretch, and then you lower down your heels under, lift, and then bend again. One more. Inhale to stretch, lower down your heels, lift, and then return again. Okay. So so nandiyan pa rin yung paa, tanggal ng isang leg spring to the left side. Balls of your feet again. So this time, this is how we hold the shoulder rest. So hold the shoulder rest, fingertips pointing down, a little bit higher. Nakahawak sa shoulder rest mismo. So sit up tall. More. Heels are connected. So you will not lean back. So the press of the hand should give you feedback of sitting up and lifting up tall. Heels are connected. Okay. Inhale to stretch again. Lower down your heels under. And then lift again. Bend your knees, return. So again, inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels under. Lift. And then bend again. Sit up tall more. Inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels. Lift. And then return. Inhale to stretch. Sit up one more. Soften the elbow. And then this. Inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels. Lift. And then bend again. And then last one. Inhale to stretch. Lower down your heels. Lift. And then return. So remove those things at the middle. Okay, balls of your feet again on top of your foot bar. So again, it should be not too wide. One twist lang yung distance. Heels are together. Reach your arms this time in front. Okay. Sit up tall more. Some more. Okay, so wala na tayong baba ng heels ha. Keep it connected from the inner heels and from the balls of your feet. Sit up tall more. body at the center because as you stretch the legs, you will not lean back. So you have to keep your body at the center. But you don't bend the knees. Keep it here. Exhale, right away, bend your knees. Inhale to stretch again. And then exhaling again, return.